Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have your iPhone on iOS 26 and contacts synced. Now start. Open Phone or Contacts and find the entry you want to change. Tap the contact to reveal details, then tap Edit at the top right. Once in edit mode, scroll to the contact poster area, that visual block near the name. You're doing this so you can remove or replace the poster cleanly. Make sure you're editing the right contact. Changes sync when saved, so confirm the account at the top before proceeding. Once in the poster controls, tap Edit Poster to see options. You can choose Remove to clear the poster, use Default to revert to the generic avatar, or pick a new photo from Photos. If the poster was created as a shared contact poster, switch to My Poster or toggle off sharing so others won't see it. Make changes intentionally. Remove clears the graphic, use Default keeps initials or blank avatar. Take a breath, review the preview, and then prepare to save so changes propagate to your devices. After making your selection, tap Done to save the contact. Wait a moment for iCloud to sync, then verify in Phone and Messages that the poster is removed. If the change doesn't appear, make sure contact syncing is enabled in Settings and sign out and back into your Apple ID if needed. As a key troubleshooting tip, force restart the iPhone and check for any pending iOS updates. Syncing glitches often resolve after a restart or update. If still stuck, repeat Edit and choose Remove again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.